Welcome to the Battle of Hair Oils. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we will be battling out and comparing two very popular hair oils, and we're going to find out if one of them is a dupe for another. So if you want to find out more about those two popular hair oils, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we are doing a battle of hair oils. We are going to compare two very popular hair oils and we're going to see whether one of them is a dupe for another and what is the main difference between those two hair oils. So you guys, with no further ado, the two oils that I will be battling out against and comparing are Elixir Ultimate Julia Rose versus Mythic Oil by L'Oreal Professional. Now you guys, we have two very popular hair oils and one of them is a Kerastase one, and as you all know I am a big fan of Kerastase, and the other one is a Mythic Oil by L'Oreal Professional. Now first of all, I am a bit iffy when it comes to hair oils. I don't really use them. I don't like using them in my hair. Now I think they're nice, they're the only time I'd really use a hair oil is if I'm doing like a nice blow dry and I need to brush it out or get rid of a bit of frizz or just smooth it out slightly. But that's really it. I wouldn't be a fan of hair oils, but I know loads of people like serums and hair oils. But let's compare them and talk about them. When it comes to the Elixir Oil Julia Rose, it retails for €40.95. And I mean, that's a lot of money for a bit of hair oil. And this hair oil is especially designed for colored hair, and it's going to correct your color, it's going to add shine and protect it from heat. This oil also works as a heat protector and it can protect your hair up to 230 degrees Celsius. So it means you can blow dry it into your hair and you're still going to get heat protection. Also, this oil is going to provide you long nourishment and long fragrance to the hair. So if you are looking for something that's going to make your hair smell nice on the long run, I think this oil would be a good choice. Also, it's going to provide your hair with 96 hours of anti-frizz and protection from humidity. It's going to reduce split ends in your hair, and it is lightweight, so it's not going to leave residue in your hair. Now, I do not like using hair oils in my own hair, and I mean, they're for some people, but like I said, they're nice for brushing out and finishing hair to add that nearly mirror-like effect to it, or if you have flyaway hair, just to put that and just smooth it all out. But let's talk about the oils found in this oil. We find white tea extract that's going to provide you with color correction and enhancement of your own color. We also find camellia oil, which is brilliant for softness and silkiness of the hair. Marula oil, that is brilliant for nourishment and silkiness as well, and softness of the hair. And we find maize oil, that is a brilliant antioxidant. Also we find Kerastase oil, that is brilliant for conditioning and deep nourishment. And of course we have the iconic argan oil that restores shine and strengthens the hair and works on the elasticity of the hair. Overall, I think the Elixir oil is a good product, but let's compare it to a sister of this product, which is Mythic Oil by L'Oreal Professional. When it comes to Mythic Oil, this product retails for €17.95. So I mean, there's a huge difference, and I mean, it's an oil. But what will this oil do to your hair? This oil will also give you heat protection of 230 degrees Celsius. So like that, you can apply it onto your wet hair and blow dry it into the hair, and you're still gonna get the heat protection just like you would with your Kerastase oil. I mean, this oil is brilliant for shine, silkiness and finishing of the hair, and we do find argan oil in this oil, which means it's gonna strengthen the hair and work on the elasticity of the hair, adding that beautiful shine and silkiness to the hair. This product is brilliant for nourishment, adding shine and detangling the hair. So I find this oil actually really good when your hair is wet. Apply a tiny bit into it and just brush it out, and it's gonna help detangle your hair. This oil is lightweight and it will also provide you with 48 hours of anti-frizz control. Now, so we have those two oils. They both have heat protector. Now this oil has a lot more precious oils in it than this one, and they both do similar things. Now you're gonna get more anti-frizz and humidity from this one and less from this one, but this one is 41 euro nearly and this one is nearly 18 euro. Right, so let's compare them side by side, because I mean 40 euro on an oil is a bit steep, and I think Mythic Oil could be a good dupe for the Kerastase Oil. Now we can fold the scent. I mean, it smells beautiful, it is rosy, and on my hand I'm just gonna pop Mythic Oil. Oh, that's gonna be quite hard. Now they're both running into one another, so that just did not work out. But right, let me just wipe that somewhere quickly. Let's work that into my hand, and at the back of my hand I'm gonna put that oil and I'm just gonna smell it. And it smells nice. I mean, when it comes to texture of it, and we're just gonna compare this texture. The Kerastase one actually feels a lot thicker to Mythic Oil. Mythic Oil feels a lot more lighter. Now, when it comes to oils, I don't really pay too much attention to them. As long as they're not overly cheap and loaded with a lot of silicone, because as we all know, a serum or an oil is basically oil with load of silicone in it. So if they're not loaded with load of cheap silicone in it and they're not too drugstore, like you can get argan oils for like €2, but they're absolute heap of dirt, then I don't see a reason why you should spend 40 euro on an oil. Now, it is a good investment, but overall I think Mythic Oil is also very good. Now, do I think Mythic Oil is an exact dupe of Kerastase? No, I do not think so, because we do get more benefits out of the Kerastase and we have more oils and longer anti-frizz control, etc, etc. But I definitely think that Mythic Oil is a good serum, and it's a good replacement if you don't want to spend 40 quid on an oil, which I personally probably wouldn't. I think Mythic Oil is a brilliant alternative. And like that, you don't really need an oil in your hair. I just don't get that whole obsession with oils. Like, everyone's like, oh, I need to oil my hair. I need to oil my hair. For what? Like, for what? Like, I think oil is nice, right? I have few flyaways, just literally run it through my hair or just finishing the hair. But I think conditioner and a shampoo and a mask and like a leave-in in treatment will work so much better than oils. So overall, I think that Mythic Oil is a very good oil for €17.95, where Kerastase is a good oil, but you're paying €40.95. So if you want to save a bit of money and still use a good oil, go with Mythic Oil. If you want to treat yourself and get that nice indulgent fragrance to your hair and perfume like finish, go with Kerastase. Do I think Mythic Oil is a dupe? No, I do not, but I do think it's just as good as Kerastase. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.